Hello everyone. Do you want to get amazing answers from AI every single time? The secret is simple. You must give it clear instructions. You can do this by using a simple formula: role, task, context, and format. The 4 pillars of a great prompt. Role. Tell the AI who it should act as. For example, tell it to act as a digital marketing expert. Task. Tell the AI exactly what you want it to do. For example, ask it to write a 7-day social media content plan. Context. Give background info to get relevant answers. Tell the AI, my target audience is small business owners interested in productivity. Format. Specify how to structure the answer. You can say, provide the plan in a table with columns for day, topic, and goal. Putting it all together, when you mix these 4 pieces, you get a perfect prompt. It sounds like this: act as a digital marketing expert. Write a 7-day social media content plan for my target audience, small business owners interested in productivity and growth. Provide the plan in a table with columns: day, topic, content idea, platform, goal. 4 quick tips for success. Be specific and clear. Add constraints like word limits or a specific tone. Break complex tasks into smaller prompts. Refine your prompt if the first answer isn't perfect. Remember, a clear prompt means better, faster, and more useful answers. Thank you.